Hi, I'm Traci Lynn, and I want you to move your body for 10 minutes and 40 seconds to a strength, cardio, core stability workout featuring functional compound movements. Moving your body in this way allows for a shorter yet effective workout. So this is a glute hip kind of challenge workout. It's one of my 10-minute, 40-second workouts. I will have a playlist with all these 10-minute, 40-second workouts. This is a glute challenge. But of course, you'll be moving your upper body because all my workouts, you're moving your upper and lower body. But they're very customizable. If you want to just do the lower body portion, take those upper body moves out and just do the legs or glutes. The other way around, do the movements without the weights. Make it yours. Listen to where you are today. Go at your level. Make it your workout. I've made these for you to customize as much as you need to. Pause the video, rest longer, don't rest at all, move faster, use whatever weight you want. Make it yours. I'm actually going to be using this hip band, which I love. Double time work in the glutes. It's a hip glute band. And there's 3 different sizes. I'll have them linked down below. I love these. Hopefully I can do it properly during this workout. This is the largest one, but it just makes those glute muscles work even harder. And it's so important to keep our glutes strong to protect our hips, our hip joints. All my workouts, you'll always be doing glutes, always, which means you'll be doing your legs too, and everything. So make it your workout. 10 minutes, 40 seconds. We are on for 35 seconds. Looking at the workout over here. Off for 20 seconds where I will explain the next move. Again, rest longer if you need to. We have 3 groups of exercises. First group, you have 2 moves. You'll do those twice in a row. Move to the second group, twice in a row. 2 moves, twice in a row. Third group, 2 moves, twice in a row. And we're using free weights. 8s, 10s, 12s for the medium to heavier side. And 5s, 3s, 5s, 8s for the lighter side or even medium. Whatever it looks like for you. I will be using probably some 10s, 5s. I'll switch it around. I tend to go a little lighter during these workouts so I can instruct properly. Yeah. Also, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to watch my first 2 intro videos so you understand what my workouts are all about so you can get the full benefit. And keep that proper form. Watch that video, get that down. All these videos will be linked down below. Oh, also, no warm-ups and cool-downs in most of my workouts, but I have warm-up and cool-down videos. So if you haven't yet warmed up, I suggest you do so. And a cool-down at the end would be great too. So before I start that clock, I'm going to show you the first move. I'm going to start with some 10-pound weights. This is like a hip abduction extension leg raise. So it's right in the middle. Instead of going that way or straight back, you're going angled. You're going to bend this knee. I'm going to start with my right knee in the front, my right leg. Bend it slightly. Hinge at your hips. Shoulder blades together always. Abs are nice and tight. You're going to just go like that. There's that challenge with the hip band. We're just doing a row. Squeeze those shoulder blades. Chest is up. Shoulders are out of your ears. That's the first move. Then we'll come to the other side. Same thing, but we'll turn the palms down and get into the upper back rear shoulder muscles. Okay, so let's start that clock right now. Get ready. So you're angling that leg back, just straight back, getting into those glutes. The hip band is on, you're getting double time there. Row it. Upper arms right along the ribs. And breathe. Breathe as you pull it up. Shoulder blades together. Squeeze them together. Those abs nice and tight. Oh yeah, this is challenging me, this hip band. Okay, to the other side. Now we'll turn the palms down and get into that upper back and those rear shoulder muscles. I'm gonna have my left leg in the front now, slight bend to the knee. Just gonna angle that leg back. Squeeze those glutes. Shoulders are down and together in the back. Always. With those proper form basics down. Watch that video. Link down below. Keep that spine nice and neutral from the neck down to the tailbone. Woo. Finish it out. Let's repeat those and we'll move to the next group. It's a quick workout, but it's effective. Moving like this, you'll get an effective workout. Multiple muscles, so you're getting that cardio in there. That heart is working, pumping lots of blood to all those muscles. Okay. Keep those upper arms right along your torso. Woo, that 35 seconds is long. Okay, I am feeling that glute over here, and I will now on this side. I like these hip bands a lot. Highly recommend them. Okay, palms down. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Slide into that supporting leg. Almost. Okay, here's your next move. You will squat to the side, squat it, come up, raise that leg, and do a shoulder press. Squat. Modify that movement any way you need to. That's challenging with this hip band. Up, raise that leg. Can't raise it too high with this hip band. Stepping out to my left. Whew. Finished it out. Okay, other side, palms in. Whatever side you can go to, go that way. Hip abduction when you come up. What's this thing doing? Raise it. Really step into that leg, the side you're going toward. Step into it. Don't let those knees crush your toes. Basics of proper form. Try not to bend over too much. Just keep that spine nice and neutral. Finish it out. Okay, we'll repeat those. And I'm actually reducing the weight because I probably sound terribly winded. Okay. This is uncomfortable. Okay. Sit back in those heels. Press up through those heels. Basics of proper form. I show you the proper squat form in that video. All the basics. Shoulder blades together, chest up. Okay, to the other side. Okay, next move. Got through those. This is a reverse lunge with tricep kick up to flexion bicep curl. Just like that. Go. Kick it back, elbows stay in. Bring it up, elbows stay in. Whoa, lots of balance. When you're working your arms out, your elbow stays where it starts. You're just moving your forearms, your lower arms. We're going to switch it up on the other side. The other side, you're going to keep your arms straight. Step it back, straight, come up into a hammer curl, like that. I actually am going to add a bonus move after this 10 minutes and 40 seconds if you want to stay for that for 1 minute. Okay. Straight back, woo! Hammer curl, my balance, woo! Straight back squeezes, shoulder blades together. Okay, back to the regular kickbacks, hammer curls, bicep curls. Back to the other side. Regular, elbows in, kick them back, come back up with the flexion. Modify how you need to. Line that knee up. Woo! Lots of muscles working here. Unilateral, really challenging your core stability, which is really good. All these movements challenge your core stability. Finish it if you want to. Okay, other side, back to the straight arm, pushing back, squeeze those shoulder blades together so you get into the upper back and triceps and rear shoulders. And then you get into your biceps in another direction. Whoa! Up. Oops, I think I did a kickback, but that's okay. Straight arms. Okay, I told you I have a bonus for 1 minute. 1 minute, you can do it. I'm gonna have to use Alexa. Alexa, set timer for 1 minute. We're doing a plank. Leg lifts. Ready? Do some leg lifts on the right. Don't arch that back, keep it nice and neutral. Your spine from your neck to your tailbone. Just keep everything neutral. You're not dipping down and not bringing your behind up too much. 1 minute, you can do it. Try your best. Do as long as you can. Tighten those glutes. Other side. Squeeze those glutes. My breathing must be really heavy in this one. Whoa, that's a long minute. Almost. Woo! Little child's pose, stretch it out. Alexa, off. She listened. Okay, that was awesome. Good job. You did it. My motto, it doesn't have to be a lot. It doesn't have to be perfect. Get this off. But we have to move our bodies. You did it. Good job. I'd appreciate a thumbs up on this workout. Comments are welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I have so many workouts that I will be uploading regularly. I have to load this channel up at least once a week or twice. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, because actually that's the only way you'll know when I upload a video, if you hit that notification bell. Share my channel, this workout, with friends and family, anyone you can think of. Let's get everybody moving on social media, off social media. Download my workout log. Very effective, especially if you're a beginner. Track these workouts. They're all numbered and in playlists. Track your progression. Plan your workouts for the next day. Put it out with your workout clothes. Download my reasons why we should move our bodies with strength training exercise and all the benefits. And all this equipment I will have linked down below. And even this ball, which we didn't use, but I will be using that in my workout. So good job. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to having you join me in all my Move Your Body workouts. Thank you.